Hello guys, today we are going to check how to upgrade Windows 11 on Windows 10 laptop. So let's start the video. Using this application we can check Windows 11 compatibility with our laptops. So if we click on a click now, it will do some diagnosis on our laptop and gives the results. So we can see it is compatible and we can install Windows 11 on this PC. Once the test is passed and Windows 11 is available for our laptop, it automatically available in Windows Update feature where we can download and install it. We can see Windows 11 is ready for me and it is available for me to download and install. I will click on this download and install option where it downloads and install. It approximately take 40 to 60 minutes based upon our internet and PC. I skip this video to 100%. Let's wait until it asks for reboot and will reboot. Now I am going to reboot this laptop. After this I'm going to get Windows 11. So yeah, let's go ahead and reboot. I can use both these options, reboot now option here and reboot now restart now option at the background. Yeah, so if I click on restart now option, it should reboot, but it didn't because the other user, I have two users on this laptop, so other user is already logged. So I'm going to restart from the restart option shown in the update page so that I can skip. Yeah, I can skip. I can reboot it anyway. So yeah, I'm going to restart anyway. I'm playing this video at 10x fast. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and click on bell icon to subscribe my channel to get updates from my channel on latest videos. Finally, the update is completed and we are at new look of Windows 11. So go ahead and log in. So it should take my old credentials and everything like my fingerprint, face recognition, everything. So I'm using fingerprint to log in. Again, I'm playing this video at 10x fast because it is doing some changes to my profile, so it is taking time. Finally we log in and this is our new look. We don't have any background image wallpaper, so yeah, I'm going to change the wallpaper and I'm going to check if my installed applications are there or not. Previously I installed onto Windows 10, if those applications are there or not. And I'm also going to check some files which is created last time in Windows 10. All my files and installed software are available. Nothing is changed, only Windows operating system changed. Using these options here, we can change wallpapers. I'm going to check these different wallpapers here available. This theme is installed before updating to Windows 11. I installed when it is Windows 10 and it is still there. Nothing is changed. All the softwares, folders, file, even desktop files and user profile, everything is there. Nothing is changed, only operating system. Yep, we are currently on Windows 11. I really like this Windows 11 feel and look. um, there are a lot of things changed in this. We need to search a little bit, but it is not a big deal. Yep, finally we are on Windows 11. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel to get latest updates. Thank you everyone.